Hello everyone, my name is Jaden Regular from class 183. Today I would like to touch on prime numbers, cube roots, square roots, and HCF and LCM. There are 3 questions that I'm going to attempt today. The first question is to find out if 3 bells toll at regular intervals of 15 minutes, 16 minutes, and 36 minutes respectively. Given that they toll together at 2 p.m., at what time will they next toll together? First, we need to find the product of prime factors by dividing 15, 16, and 36 with prime numbers. We can divide by 2, which gives us 15, 8, and 18. Next, we can divide by 2 again, which gives us 15, 4, and 9. Next, we can divide by 3, which gives us 5, 4, and 3. Then we can divide them by 3 again, which gives us 5, 4, and 1. Then we can divide by 2, which gives us 5, 2, and 1. Then we can divide by 2 again, which gives us 5, 1, and 1. And lastly, we can divide by 5, which equals 1, 1, and 1. From here, you can see there are 2 4s, 2 3s, and 1 5, which give us LCM equals to 2 4 times 3 2 times 1 5, which equals to 720 minutes, so we can take the 720 minutes divide by 60, which equals to 12 hours. We can use the timeline drawing to find the answer. First, by drawing a straight line. The bells start at 2 p.m. so 12 hours later, it should be 2 a.m. So the 3 toll bells rang at 2 a.m. Before we go to the next question, I will use my calculator to see if I multiply the answer correctly. This one's correct. Okay, so this is correct. Now this is correct. We can use the calculator to cross-check if the answer is correct. Let us see. So 2 4 plus 3 2 times 1 5. We use the calculator to check. Which gives us which gives us 720, which is correct. Now we take 720 divided by 60 equals to 12, which is also correct. To summarize, in order to find the product of prime factors, we can divide the composite numbers with prime numbers. The next question requires us to find the prime factorization of 126, leaving the answer in index notation. For this question, the composite number is 126. Thus, we need to find the product of prime factors by dividing 126 with prime numbers. First, we can divide 126 by 2, which gives us 63. Next, we can divide 63 by 3, which gives us 21. Next, we can divide 21 by 3, which gives us 7. Finally, we can divide 7 by 7, which equals to 1. As you can see, 2, 3, 3, and 7 are the prime factors of 126, which means 126, which is a composite number, equals to 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. For the last question, we need to find the cube root of 216 by using prime factorization. First, we divide 216 by 2, which equals to 108. Next, we divide 108 by 2 again, which equals to 54. Then we divide by 2 again, which equals to 27, sorry. Then we divide by 3, which equals to 9. Then we divide by 3 again, which equals to 3. And finally, we divide by 3 again, which equals to 1. We can express 2, 3 by 3, 3 in index notation. Then I take cube root by dividing 216 into three groups of equal factors. Which gives us 2 times 3, which equals to 6. And that is my answer. Now we can use the calculator to check if the answer is correct or not. So we take cube root by 216, which equals to 6. To summarize this question requires us to use prime factorization to express 216 in index notation. Then I take cube root by dividing 216 into 3 groups of equal factors. We can use index notation to represent the prime factorization of a number. Example, 126 equals 2 times 32 times 7, which 32 indicates the number of equal factors. Again, we can use the calculator to cross-check if the answer whether is it correct. Now for 126 divide by 2, which equals to 63, which is correct. 21, then 21, and then 63 divided by 3 equals to 21, which is also correct. Then 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. which is also correct. And then finally, 7 divided by 7 equals to 1, which is also correct. The last question is to find 216 cube root by using prime factorization. First, we divide 216 with 2, which equals to 108. Then we divide by 2 again, which equals to 54. Then again we divide by 2, which equals to 27. Then we divide by 3, which equals to 9. And again by 3 equals to 3. And finally we divide by 3 again, which equals to 1. We use factorization to express 216 in index notation. So 216 cube. I take cube root by dividing 216 into 3 groups of equal factors. Then this equals to 2 times 3, which equals to 6. And that is my final answer. We can check the answer with the use of calculator. So take cube root, then we put 216, which equals to 6. So my answer is correct. We have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Bye bye for now, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.